Lopez final, Lopez final. Tyler Palmes, all shot. All shot mga bossing. Tyler Palmes. This is Lopez. Bam bam ikaduha mga boss. Woy, tuwara. Apit. Grabe yo. Tyler Palmes dia mga bossing, whole shot oh. Grabe magpakanay number 6 oh. Parang boy. Tuwara sila mga boss. Alright, here we go now. Still leading. Whoa. Tumba si Budong. Tawi magpakanay number 6 of Tyler Palmes oh. Tyler Palmes bakbakana ito na max mga boss. Final for the novice category. Flat track here at Pinamulaan. Manisila, North Cotabato, outside inside. Outside inside. Oh! Wow. Here we go now. Sabi, bakbakana ito na box dikit kaya ba bossing Tyler Palmes number 6. Ubusan ang persa boss. Oh, ara. Gawas eh. Nilayo na Tyler bay. Nilayo na. Wow, wow. Sayang. Still leading Tyler Palmes mga bossing for the novice final. Novice final. Alright, white flag. White flag. This will be white flag for the novice category. Flat track here at Pinamulaan, Manisila, North Cotabato. Here we go now. Tyler Palmes gets that checkered flag. Congratulations. Where you happening number 6 oh. Ma'am na yun, number 227.